Assalamualaikum guys, hope all are doing well. I am fine. Come to my channel. My today topic is JavaScript tutorial for a beginner. I'm going to show you how to learn JavaScript from W3 school because here you find everything that you want to know. That's why I'm going to W3 school, show the JavaScript tutorial. Here is JavaScript tutorial. You can also use VS Code, but I think I can share you through laboratory schools from. But when you need to go to BS Code, and I also show you BS Code, John, you need, we also show that part also as a coding demand. I also show that part also when JavaScript recombined it also. I can visualize, I can show you the real pictures also. Sorry, that's my another project. So open, I just want to check this file is open. So I just create layout. Okay, let's avoid it. Wait a second, file, open folder. Just for practice, I just create a folder for only need. Just give it, come here, show you, show you for the, the JavaScript essential guideline. So here is it. We don't need to anything, just index.html. We don't need to any for install. Just keep your mind just in your laptop or PC and desktop. So install VS Code. That's all, nothing else. So here you go. You can see the JavaScript W3 school. JavaScript is the world most popular programming language. JavaScript is a programming language for web. JavaScript is easy to learn. Here is a my file JavaScript try itself. So I can example it by through, and you have to understand. Click me to display date and time. I can eagerly or definitely to say that you must say by one video that you can understand, one logic you can understand, then everything is okay for you. You can see that the on your body part, here is the h2 my first JavaScript button type is a button on click. Here is the understanding part, but button click me to display return time. We go run. Here is a click on display return time. PID is demo. I did demo. Here is the code defined by on click. Document get element by ID. We going to see just a paragraph by file Java exists. Document get by ID. Inner HTML take a change. The universal change for doing by click date function. So here you can click me to display date and time and button. So you can see I can document HTML's under preferred document get element by ID. You can get through element by ID like ID equal to demo first bracket dot inner HTML equal to date. Just when you click, so here is the time today's Bangladesh standard time. So here is another, we can show another example. So introductions. JavaScript is a programming language for the web. It can be updated changeable HTML, CSS. It can be recalculate, manipulate, and validate data. JavaScript is one of the three language all programmers. The when you go to Next.js, React.js, Next.js, React.js, AngularJS, where you can, there is a basic three structure you have to learn and get project to understand the basic uh, requirement like PHP to HTML conversion, CSS, JavaScript. That is a very essential part on this. Then you go JavaScript framework like React.js, Angular, as we mentioned before. JavaScript to program the behavior of the web page. JavaScript can change HTML content. Yes, one of many JavaScript HTML method is get element by ID. There is a main thing get element by ID. You must remember that element by you must remember that comment. The agent of an HTML document of a demo in HTML. Hello JavaScript. We can show that also. Click me. Here is a see that JavaScript can change HTML element. We print H2P is ID demo. JavaScript can change HTML. We can also like here my name md dot Sakif Naim. So after click he for browser show me learn with Sakif Naim YouTube channel. Okay, let's do in this. So I was described it also. Button type click me. Button type is click me in our HTML JavaScript. What can I do? Here is the JavaScript connection HTML content. Here is a P demo. Inner HTML hello JavaScript. Inner HTML is hello JavaScript. Learn learn. I can also run it's fine. MD Sakib name, learn Sakib name YouTube channel. We just click here hello JavaScript. So what is the difference? Hello JavaScript inner we can also show MD Sakib name. Hello JavaScript not hello programmer. When you click we just send hello new subscriber. Lamin Sakib name YouTube channel, MB Sakib name, John click just Lamin Sakib YouTube channel. Usually hello JavaScript. Sorry, hello new subscriber. So you see the difference. Here is a type button on click document by ID demo. We just get touched by demo by call by get element by ID demo inner estimates hello new subscriber learn Sakib YouTube channel hello new subscriber we just get another MD Sakib 9 there is a p tag under ID tag demo we can go through guide as get element by ID document get element by ID demo dot inner estimate the change doing hello new subscriber so that we can show the real pictures. So let's see. Hello new subscriber. So let's go another examples. Try itself. There is a mention that you have to understand what can JavaScript do. JavaScript can change HTML attribute values also. In the JavaScript, change the value of the on light, turn on light, turn off light. So here the real pictures I can. Here is the basic part. You must understand this so you can understand for very complex logic. So that you can understand the complex logic. So I either suggest you must keep attention on my detailing process. So let's go button on click document given by my image. Here is a my image source file the style which is HonestPX. Button on click document given by my image. Button on click image there is an image my image source is okay. Button on click. Here is the two things you have to understand. Turn on light. You say here is a turn on light button and a turn off light button. A button document my image source. Click the off button. My image turn off light. Here's your real pictures. There are actually two images that separate. If here is a path, you can see that my image shows the pictures which is so big shape. We can show you also real pictures. Just copy and show the browser. Here is a sheet. Here just open our nothing else. There's two types of different pictures. They show our understanding you just working. Just, so you can understand there is a real picture is just I can visualize, I can show the real secret of this, how is working light on or off. So let's go this topic. Point two. Document by demo, my first review see it. I can show that script. Oh, it averages body, HTML head, body, unders body. You just call his inner CSS is like inner JavaScript. You also take the body. You just like script and can document combination. So my JavaScript there is a body part. Here JavaScript and body. If there is a demo, there is a no demo. It is to my file JavaScript project, but you can write in anything, anything but show that pictures. But when you these pictures, she also so the difference. Output. Here is output. Writing HTML element using inner HTML document write Windows alert console log. So we also show that getting by demo inner HTML 5.6 is script. Just inner HTML 11. My first web page, my first paragraph PID demo. Just inner HTML my first paragraph 11 line. We can we can show the real pictures also. Run -1. So that is a everything you arithmetic operation done by that, like that. Even it was a float function also. There's a no statement. A statement means let statements one, statement three. Common program is a line of instruction to be executed by the computer. In a programming language, those programming instructions are called statement. JavaScript program is a list of programming statement. In HTML, JavaScript programs are executed by the web browser. JavaScript statement try itself. HTML and it there is a hello the web browser ptag underscore demo. We just change the main thing. So let's go. Let's give syntax. Let's declare the three variable a b c. We just put is documented by id demo one. Let's see print c. That is also okay. That's similar. I can show the before so how to multiplication division. That also fine. Hmm. Let's go syntax. JavaScript syntax. JavaScript syntax is a set of rules. JavaScript are constructs how to create a variable var x by let y. You can use let var. I can use let. I prefer use let. I my newbie or my new fresher, but new my new subscriber to suggest to use let. It's more comfortable. Page value variable values. JavaScript comment how to comment like backslash forward slash forward slash. You just paragraph choose line is not important, or you also line code and why you coding for this line you just comment out like I'm a styling in our HTML in a CSS, so we commented CSS variables bar let constants exists 5 bar keyword used for JavaScript code from there is a like there is a when to use or when time you use bar let constants details in here. That's not important so much. So we go GS let keyword is introduced. Let is a block scope variable declare the let have block scope variable declare the let must be declared before use. Let can be redeclared in the same scope. There is a very important thing about let E62015 variable declare youth let have block scope variable declare the let must be declared before. You can use let but it's declared before. Variable declare let cannot be re-declared in scope. Similarly, you can use this once, not twice. JavaScript did not have a block scope. JavaScript global scope latex is it cannot be used here. Try itself. Here is PDMO script. Here is X. Here is X. Here is X. So script is 2. Here is extend. Here is 2. Here is a in this browser. He just is the last one. Put that. Put that 0. 9. Put that 0. You print 0. You can empty that. Just empty. Or just put 0 and put 10. He always put 10 because he always by default he there is a good things you must know there is a by default he configured the second one, not first one. Remember that. For interview questions, you also ask the some interview developer. Constants keyword is introduces, cannot be rejected, can be reason, block scope. Not an operator. What is operator? Additional operator, multiplication operator, comparison operators. Is very important. Multiplication operator, arithmetic operator, assignment operator, compression operator, string operator, logical operator, virtuous operator, ternary operators, type operator. So Java's converting operator, addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions, modulus, increment, decrement, plus plus, x plus plus, that means x plus x1, that means decrement x minus 1, x equal to x minus 1, that means decrement. Arithmetic operator, just bring that. I think that is prefer the right ones, which is arithmetic operation. Choose that. I have to minimize. There is a many windows open when I just click. So let's go the next topic. This assessment. There is a very important thing you just know. Here I can say x plus y, x minus y, x in the multiplication. What do you mean that plus x minus y plus y? That means it equals to x data types. String number, binary, boolean, undefined, null, simple object. The data types can be contain both built-in object, user-friendly object. That x let length 7 and let length 16, let weight 75. String, YOLO, JSON, Boolean. So if there is an object person first name, there is an array. There's three array. If there is a scarce name, date time, function. You must use an every on project like this function. That is very important thing to know function because you when you implement your project like it's JavaScript, you use function all the time. It is very important how to run your function on your blocks. So you can select x my function 4 and 3 document element by demo in an HTML is x function av into v. Here is a call let x my function call for 3 document by demo in response x is registers my function for 3. So my function av call and here is my results return a multiplication b. That's called result is 4. We cannot declare by using it in a output by user input. GS object. In real life, object are things like house, car is object. Object properties. Car name, flight. It is object, here is a properties name. Real life car has methods like start and stop, can drive, car drove, car stop, car equal to car, car name equal to relate car equal to 5. And here is a mention that car is in feet, and then demo. Then you can also change anything you want. Car's names, Mercedes like object properties. An object and underlying collection of properties. Properties are the most important part of the JavaScript object. Properties can be changed and delayed some read only. Like is person.age. Example, you can understand that. Constant person, first name, genre, is synchronous glue, document given by dimensional HTML, person dot first name you can use an just fully stuff you just concrete that means you can see C plus you also cover this concrete part you also know that that term concrete just that means you are 1 plus 2 similar like person dot first name that you concrete person is person is person constant person just like I can say there is a function that can use 15 years old as overline. So you think you understood that? Yes, method. Object method are action that can be performed on object. A method is a function defined as the properties value. For instance, person first name, there is a same to same full name. Just you think everything you declare, but you just name one thing. It's the first name. I just want to call ID. You show the ID. First name. I think that also fine. Full name function. Oh, understand. What is my mistake? Returns first names and this last name. Here we go. ID. Return this only. Made a mistake. Why ID equal to function? This ID, I think that not did it. Return ID function. Just refresh it. Clear the pictures. Return this first name and last name. Full name. Person equal to ID. I think it is okay. Here is also ID. Return this ID. So on that function. Why I am going to mistake? Why I'm going to mistake? Constant first name, last name, ID. I'm going to refresh. John who changes full name. He created a function full name. Okay. Function full name. Student ID. Suppose we create a student ID no. Return this function. Return this ID. That things I cannot find any error. Oh, rare things here is a mistake because we cannot students ID. Just you also think that is a main thing. The function that's historical not. So there is a mistake. Something mistake is very good. We understand that what is a mistake and how, where can what is the reason behind that. Reason behind this I am called student ID my functions. Person student is your name. You just want the student ID function return this ID. So equal to student ID. That is the main thing. So you can understand that with just one call anything can happen. How to display the string object name agency ticket element demo instance person everything you can show object you can see object display the object create an object and display the object. You know that things I can do. We can move forward next lesson, next topic. These are the object constructor. Sometimes you need to create many objects at the same time. So to create a object type as you can object constructor function, it can construct a good practice to construct function. Because first letter there's a first name, last name, age, eye color, everything just call the first last age of everything in the function. My father is 50. Consider the function for person object created the person new person created my father's biodata everything John Doe blue and display the age my father's age my father dot age my father document get along by demo inner estimates my father's age JavaScript consistent ID demo is like we just wrote it about nothing else just look it is okay if you just call it age we can also call um I my father's is undefined. My father's is eye blue. Sorry, eye color. That's why undefined. So what is a mistake? Let's see the result. Yeah, you just same now, same name as equal same before. Okay, now is the no return. Function or consider function for person object. My father's and my mother's everything is okay. My father's 50 mother's to different is calls. Same thing but recall the function. GS event things can have an experiment react on this event. Time is where is the react? We just call react. Same thing that time before icon first things. GS string. You must quote that double string car name. But when you put single string, everything is but you can put it under uh, double quotation. That's when no error. Singular double that is up to you. Which can you put? JS string method. JavaScript strings are primitive and immutable. All string methods produce a new string without altering the original string. So go to the example, but you must clear that JavaScript is string, JavaScript property, the length of the string is 26. Here is a 26. I just let take the command by demo in HTML text dot length 13. Okay, understand that? I think you understand that. There's a for method exit the string operator at position character. Just look at that. Character at 0, character at 9. There's a we can put 90. See the results, nothing continues because 19 length is nothing. White. Create at 72. Terminus mode character code at 72. Hello world character code 72. Wait, let's see. Remove W. What is the result? Wait. Run. Nothing changed. Character code at 0. Hello. Uncode character to given a position on the string. Record method returns the unique code of the character. Unique code. That is a unique code. Okay. So then I to see the difference. Here is a difference. One is 51. So there's a string. String search. Indexable string search. Sometimes you have to index of method, find a position occurs locate is. Please locate why the locate occurs. Index of locate index 7. The position of the first occurrence of locate is 7. 7 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is the 7. So I understand that G string templates. String templates template is string template literals. Hello world. I think everyone not going to go into boring, but because it is contextuals or you're looking like engaging that part on coding part because it's not I think it's not boring. I can understand that also. I am not going to bore it or when someone's taught me or someone explained me this topic I cannot bore it. I also enthusiastic about this programming, that's why, but everything not equal the same thing gonna happen to you. So let's go. Oh, there's a many tools open. I just cut it down. So these numbers. JavaScript has only one type number. Number can be written with or without decimal. This is decimal. Big int. Big int variable are used to issue the big integer like 1 lakh, 3 lakh, 1 Koti. These are also fine. Big int that is feature is by JavaScript number. Big int. Here is this value far from 1 Koti. GS number method. To is to return a number of his string. To exponential return number is an expectation notation. To fixed numbers of each number decimal. You just read out. There is nothing to understand. We just read out and understand. Yeah, right. There is a bit important. I just looking for that array method. ID plus demo, constant curse. You can also let curse. I just let. Okay, fine. Wait a second. The real thing I can just show you. No, it's okay. Just to see one thing, but nothing worry about that. So in a estimate getting value into car. Instance car. Got the car results. Add a method. Fruit and the length. One foot's length. So 4. Cut it 1. See the pictures 3. So this is funny also. Fruit to string. That programming instrument fruit dot to string function. Or you can call it fruit. That's I'm just see the result. Nothing. Same as before. You just want one thing, just kill the third bracket and this array size and how do I say it? So 1, 2, 3, 4. You put on a 5, see nothing. It's undefined. So undefined. When you put on 3, you see this apple. Mango. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. There's a one mistake I can show you. Array's number start with 1, not start with 0. Everything you must know, every outputter is a mistake on counting down like 1, 2, 3. No. Array start with 0, 1, 2, 3. I remember you cannot believe, but I definitely say that I mention that is apple, but output is mango. Sometimes you have to mistake see the result because that's a remind furthermore that this is a tactic you must follow. I follow it also to remember everything. You must own, identify, discover. Banana, orange, apple, mango. I just unshift, just shift lemon fruits. You just remember ID number one, ID one, ID two, and I create ID one, constant fruit. There are the four things, but keep it array five. You just want the one thing. Sometimes you have to forget about the one thing and get added, so you can add it by that called one shift keyword. You not to memorize all thing. You just practice and practice everything on going to good. Not everything not to good memorize, practice and practice on code that everything normalize you. Here is serves position number one, constant fruit, index of apple plus one. Apple is found in position number one. Let consist index of apple. I see the result zero. But when you put singular position one, so here is a difference. Index of last index of here is a difference. So one to four. First position four was a mistake, man. Zero plus one. See, I put it zero. So the result two. I put nothing. Because it's left two. Because apple in two position. There are two apple. I put it one. Two. How can I be show me zero? It's also fine. You must practice those like sorry my sound. That's my sometimes like a sound is also fine. Sort method sort in array alphabetically banana orange fruit sort. That means you can understand sort means sort. Get element by ID one in a stable fruit and in a zone to get fruits. Banana orange sorting. You can understand what do you mean with sort after fruit sort the demo two in a stable fruits. There is sorting. That means alphabet wise. A B C D A M O P. This order. Here is a first one, here is sorting that one. So understand the function? Okay. GS iteration method. G is a call function. What do you mean iteration method? I just constants number let text equal to number for each for function. And so text equal to plus value plus. You will break up the underline when you see this errors full description. That's why nothing else. See the constant currents, this is Toyota, and this was Toyota, and this 2, you just add Toyota number 2, yes. GS did commerce, Boolean fails. Conditional statements, if conditions, is a good day display it, script, if new date, get hours in actors, good evening. Good evening, yes. If the hour is less than after hours. I just showed earlier, but it's a good day. Eh, you must understand the logic. You can also turn consistent new date, get hours. Time is a good morning. Is like that is the times. Here is the condition 20. To this time will in the morning. This is good evening because there's else good day or good evening. 9 later. Understand that? There is a switch. Switch expression keys on keys break 2, that's C++. Then is also switch new date get day. Case 0 Monday. Today is Monday. He is called get day case 0. But we do this day. And you need to say like create a comment on that top on that I can 1 minute wait for that because why you show that Monday? Any idea? Like why you cannot show Sunday? So I give you 1 minute to remember the main thing. So here is the answer because today is today. There is a function called new date. That means today date. We can also call like keys. Hmm, sorry. I see the difference. Nothing else. New date. Get day. Nothing changed. Zero. That's an issue that I think that's okay. Okay, day today is Monday. That's okay, but I want to pick a day. Oh, where is that date? So let's do it here. Yes, truly. See the pictures. Nothing changed. So he one step. Wait. To his sketch two. Mistake. That's constant. Nothing changed. That calls is Monday. Look for BMW current length plus 111. Pictures minus. Is unresponse. So I understand. Nothing. I can go home. For duplex x in a person, x 25. That is a not important. This topic you just go through it one by one as with his version. GS offset definition. Use an offset literal offset assign format to create same things. Main thing GS function. That is very important things. Oh, after function, you can also see that previous one, same example. This topic also important with the find method and offset can draw method from another offset. In the example below, two case persons members. Is person John Doe, first name, last name, constants from member use Elson's, full name, Wilson. You see that understands? Here is a sheep. Just now, advanced method object pro the method from another object. So he is bro, the first person. He is a member, but called member person dot full name dot by member. He called this member name, not his. You understand? GS classic inherit. Use keyword class to create a class constructor, add a method name constructor. Everything you saw, see that everything you show, just hang up one thing, you just read out the JavaScript, the class syntax, class above. A simple JavaScript offset, so try itself. Forward class car, constructor name year, name her year, constructors my car new object document get element by ID, my car name, just like C++. Document get element by ID demo in HTML, car name car2, Audi, or car name car2. You can also car1 year, car2 year. That's your choice. How can you display those things? What is demands on display those things on creating project? Inheritance. Standard class car class constructor is a brand. This class name is brand present. Class I have this car name. Carbon extended car branded model. Show the represent. This is its model. That is an example. How to inherit. Extends keyword to inherit all method from the another class. Use the super method called the parent constructor function. What it is must. So JavaScript. Now for the car class there is a consists brand. Instruments. Cars my new model for the instrument my car shows. I have ETC. For the first extend car, there is a main class kind of brand, class name and instance the car. So understand that. Static. Usually class methods are different in the class itself. Class class name, return hello, so not car object token GS comma that's the important element. I will call back later. Callback function paste is argument function. My first, my second. Goodbye. My displayer. My first, my second. But that called goodbye. He got a second. He called the second one because that needs. So understand. But visualize. So let's go. Another topic. Asynchronous. You must call the functions. Oh shit. Call back. I repeated that because it is an important topic. A callback function passed an argument to another function. This technique allows a function to call another function. A callback function can run after another function is finished. Function sequence. JavaScript function execute the sequence they are called, not the sequence they are defined. My first second. Hello. My second is called because it's first one. Some. Same. Was called the first one. Sequence they are called. Function running in the parallel with a function called asynchronous. Function running in parallel with other function called asynchronous. Async function. Async function means function running in parallel other function that calls one more. That means asynchronous. So let's go. Schema function displays something. Dukongaluva equal to demo in HTML something. Number to my callback. Number plus callback equal to sum. That's my display. Is 10. Running another thing that's okay. That is okay. Just saw the code. You can understand. Asynchronous wait. Asynchronous wait make a promise easier to write. Asynchronous make a function return promise. When make the function wait for promise. So try itself. Might display value or error hello. Asynchronous function my function might display sum to sum. এখন async the function my function return hello my function then my display value. There is a very important thing DOM. DOM means document object model. With the HTML DOM, JavaScript can access the change all the element of the HTML document. All JSON DOM model is consisted as a tree object element attribute. There is a called tree object. How can they work actually? This method. Hello world in an HTML chain by first page. Forms. Build it. Server say now so much will not fill out. Server say because we don't need any name. So my any influencers good users Rakib Hassan. Submit. It says input browser returns. If name is Rakib Hassan. We show the main thing. Animations, navigations. My first page. I think this one is nice. I use that. There is a not browser set okay. There is a must fill out in field when you free form there you must there is a when you someone going to from the fill up that someone randomly mistake for fill out the form like there is enter numbers and there is a logic behind if the number is not greater than so there is egress messages so we can like put 900 there is a going to error the might was where less than or equal 300 there is a has a code in objective validity you can also go in that input okay also the server side I use server side not I use that site it is very popular site I suggest to use that JX request AJAX PSP. So the main thing. The function shows str string equals 0 and str takes hint other extensions load. This AJAX exists database. Show the customer table, not try itself. You just AJAX database. Here is the main thing actually is get str. I think everything is yes. I think everything I can show the main topic. I think you must enjoy my lectures times. Also, I can sometimes get you can clap so that I can make a very pathetic sound. You can enjoy. I think you can enjoy. When I am also learner like you, I also enjoyed because I'm a program researchers. So today all for today. Like, comment, share your friends who get benefit from me. So I can make a more video like that. So today that for all today. So going to next video after 1 week. See that day. So Allah Hafiz.